I bought this probably 12 years ago now, and it was one of those cars that just sort of popped up at the right price. Couldn't really not buy it. It was an original, very original looking car. Went to have a look at it. It was solid. It was really good originality inside, all the original interior. The shell was, there was a little bit of rust, but it was really solid. The sills were good. Most of the body panels were straight. There was just a few marks in the roof and the bonnet where it probably looked like it had had some blossom, or maybe some bird crap had sat on it and just sort of eaten away at the paint a little bit. So I bought it, got it up and running pretty quickly, and the more I looked at it, the more I realised how original the car was.
I think it's been wax oiled from very early on. Even all the little brake pipe clips are all still there. Hot hatches of the 80s and 90s that had done like over 100,000 miles were dead. They're ready for the scrap heap. But this one, really good.
So I've put a 4-branch manifold on it to improve performance of the engine, full Miltech exhaust system, a K&N panel filter, and then just modified the airbox to take a bigger air intake. That's one thing that sort of these airboxes fail at. But other than that, it's it's original. There's a couple of cool little bits that I quite like. The interior was 100% original. The seats could do with a really deep clean, but I think the coolest thing that I really liked about the interior was finding that Blaupunkt make this replacement stereo. Basically, every car you can imagine in the 80s and 90s had this Blaupunkt type stereo in it.
Don't know if you've realised, but Blaupunkt do a modern version of that stereo, because that was really popular in 80s and 90s. They've made a DAB Bluetooth, all singing, all dancing copy of that, which is just amazing. Ooh, Scotch locks, love them. Scotch locks, worst thing in the world. If you ever see those in your car, get rid, quick. Cause you no problems. Where's that earth come from? Who knows?
The keen VW fans, and probably many other people will notice, so it's not quite 100% original on the outside. The bits I've done really to improve handling are suspension. Got some coilovers from Jas, adjustable damping so that I could lower it really and sort of improve the handling of it. And I very, very nearly put another set of wheels on it. BBS replicas, 16-inch. Would have looked really nice, but then I don't know why, I just sort of had a thought to myself that I'm really, really lucky to own these wheels, because they are an original set of GTI wheels, and I found these Nankang AR1s. It's the widest tyre you can get on that wheel anyway, but it just fills the arch and just improves the overall look of the car. So yeah, now I'm really looking forward to actually getting out in it, getting some warm weather, some dry weather, and yeah, seeing how sticky these tyres really are and how good the suspension is, and actually use it.